Da, 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 da.
Okay.
And I finished.
It's okay. Let's be nice with you. All right, Hannah, I think you got it. Remember, not below the green, up here. He's just got scratches. Miller. I think you got it, Hannah. I think you got it all the way around. All right, Miller, it's time for your job. Alex, hand it to Miller. Miller, put it in the bird seed.
Ew.
It's okay. We'll wash hands if we need to. And you can roll it or you can sprinkle it. Look how it's sticking. Now this Miller's job. He waited patiently. You might want to sprinkle. You can sprinkle all over, Miller. Pick some up in your hand and sprinkle it all over. Yeah. Isn't that cool?
Funny. Funny. Funny.
See, you want to make the peanut butter really thick, so a lot of bird seed
We're done.
Is this one done?
No, yeah. No, it's more peanut butter.
It's okay. There's, you know what? Once we're done, you can't put any more on there. It's totally fine. Hannah, this is Miller's job. Next is going to be your job. Okay, so let's rotate. Alex, you're going to move over to Hannah's spot. Miller, you're the holder. This one is finished.
Ew.
It's okay.
It's got peanut.
Miller, you go over here.
It's got peanut butter.
That's right. Alex, you're the holder. You hold it for Alex. You stand right here beside Alex and hold it. And Alex, paint to the green line. And I'm going to take this one out. Hannah, you can wait.
After Alex, I do the peanut butter.
Exactly.
Exactly. Miss Beth, me and Alex are home. Oh, yeah? Ew, don't eat the peanut.
I think if hands get messy, it's okay to lick his fingers. It's not hurting anything. It's just peanut butter.
I want lick. I want lick.
And do you want him to hold it this way, Alex, sideways, or up and down? Okay. He likes it sideways, Miller. Tell Miller, I want it sideways. Miller, hold on tight so he can paint it. There you go. Doesn't it feel good, Hannah?
I want peanut butter for snacks. I want some peanut butter for snacks.
You know, I don't have strawberries. I've got some blueberries.
No, you got all the cookies? You got all cookies?
Goldfish. Alex, I never eat
All
goldfish.
the cookies.
We'll find a snack. Let's do this one, and then we'll have a snack. Alex, you got to finish painting.
It's in me. Next.
After we each make one, then we'll have snack time. I love it, Alex. Miller, you can turn it for him. If you need him to turn it, you tell him. Tell him to turn it.
Alex
Just
coffee.
be careful so this doesn't fall.
So Jason, you have to go here. Don't sit on it. Don't sit on it. On the top. My job.
No. That's Hannah's job. Are you done?
Yes.
Okay.
No.
Take it to Hannah. He's fine. He's done. I'm just gonna, there's a big glob right here. I'm gonna smooth it out.
Ugh, messy. We're not done yet.
All right, Miller, give it. No, he's fine. Give it to Hannah.
He's fine.
Hannah gets to
Ow.
roll it around. Your job next. Well, what's
There. Add the peanut butter.
Painter.
Painter.
Peanut butter painter. Have you ever painted with peanut butter?
Usually paint. The statue paint.
Yeah. We didn't paint it with peanut butter.
The statue. It's gone away. Next year we need the
Let Hannah. That's her job. You can roll it, Hannah, if you want to. And when you think you're done, you can kind of shake it off, get any extra off. I think you got it. All right.
Miller.
Hannah is the holder.
I got the peanut butter.
Wait, we gotta wait for Hannah. Wait for Hannah, she's your holder. All right, I think it's covered.
I feel a bit covered.
All right, Hannah, you go over
A
here.
bit covered.
You get beside, Miller, you come over here. Slide over. Everybody's got to slide over. Alex, you slide over here. Hannah, you put your hands below the line. Miller, paint up from the top of the line, okay? Thank you, sweetheart. We've got 2.
Oh my God.